Good day, students. How are you today? Hope you are staying safe at home. Today, we're going to consider orthographic to isometric projection. Remember, we have been treating a topic on orthographic drawing. We have done orthographic drawing and we have done isometric drawing. Now we are going to see how we can project from orthographic to isometric drawing. So in our next slide, let's look at our objectives. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to explain orthographic to isometric projection, as well to state the application of orthographic to isometric projection, and then the third one is to draw orthography to isometric projection. So if you look at, we're going to consider isometric projection, which means orthographic to isometric projection. So what we mean by this orthographic to isometric projection, it simply means that is the isometric projection of a block or machine parts profile drawn in orthographic views into assemble unit on an isometric projection plane, which is usually 30 degrees to the horizontal. So let's look at the applications of orthographic to isometric projection, or you can call it ortho to isometric projection. So if you look at it now, let's look at the first one. It tells people to appreciate the beauty of engineering designs. When you project on isometric drawing, then whatever you are projecting, people appreciate your designs. Then as well, it is used for three-dimensional views of machine blocks profile. So when you project on isometric, you can see the three views of the block or any object you are projecting. Then the third one is to help the manufacturer in the development of an article during production. So now let's look at the question I have for you today. Let's look at orthographic view of a block. This is a block we are talking about. And if you look at this isometric projection, the orthographic views are shown. If you look at this, is the plan view of this block. This is the front elevation, and this is the right elevation. So what we are going to do is that we are going to project from this to isometric projection in our next slide. So let's go to our next slide and see what I have for you. So in a nutshell, we're going to see how to project those views we've seen in the last class, in the last slide, to the next one. So look at this. We are starting with front elevation, but before that, we're going to draw isometric plane. Remember, these are isometric plane. And then what do you do next? You project at 30 degrees using your set square. Your set square, the 30 by 60 degree set square. You're going to project at 30 degrees to the horizontal. Remember what we've done under isometric projection. Then you project using your 360 degrees set square. Then, if you look at this, starting with this, remember we're starting with this edge. This edge. In this class, I just want you to sketch what the view would look like on an isometric plane before we go into the drawing and see. So if you look at this one, we are starting with this edge. We draw, we sketch to this side and to this side, the view we are seeing here. So what do you do? In our next slide, you project that the object is going to look like this way. You see something like this, nature. So what do? You project this way, draw a line, then object like this. Then you're going to see, this is the plan. How will the plan look like? This, where you're going to see this place, you're seeing this place, which is, you are seeing this place is this place. This place you are seeing is this, and this place is this. So what you are going to draw is you're going to have something like this. At 30 degrees. So this is the back view. You are seeing this side, which is the plan, this place, this place, this place, this place, this place, represent this place. While this side, the right view, you're going to see this place and this place, which you're going to draw in this drawing. So what are you going to see? You're going to see something like this. A view like this. Okay. Then you have a view that joins this way. You have a view like this, like this. You have a view like this. I have a view like this. So you join the view this way. So this is the view you are going to see on your drawing. So in our class, in our next class, on the Google Streams, I'm going to attach some pictures of some block for you, which you're going to sketch before you go into production, or before you go into drawing in our next class. God bless you.